How to count the total number of selected emails in Outlook, I'm going to show you right now on the sign-in screen. I type outlook.com into the address bar and press enter. If Outlook opens already signed in, you can skip this part. The Microsoft sign-in page appears, so I click sign in. I type my email address and click next. Then I enter the password and click sign in. The browser takes a second to load the mailbox, then the message list fills the screen. Once the message list is up, look at the left edge of any email row. When I hover over a message, a small circular checkbox appears just left of the sender's name. That's the only place to click for a clean selection. If I click the sender's name or the subject line, the email opens instead and I lose the message list. So I click the checkbox on the first email I need. The moment it's checked, the command bar at the top of the message list changes. It now reads 1 selected right next to the archive and delete buttons. That's the live count. Now I'm checking a second email. The count updates instantly to 2 selected. I'll add 2 more so you can see it keep pace. 3 selected. 4 selected. The number changes with every click, so there's nothing to count manually. I always check this number before I bulk delete or move anything because it's the only confirmation of exactly how many messages I'm about to touch. If I uncheck one of those, the count drops back down immediately. Watch the toolbar. It now says 3 selected. The count only ever reflects what is currently checked, not what you counted a moment ago. That's what makes it trustworthy for a final check. One thing I would not do is hold Control while clicking the checkboxes. You don't need it here. These are real selection checkboxes in Outlook on the web, so a plain left click toggles each one on and off. If a checkbox doesn't appear, I move the pointer off the row and back onto its left edge. Now, if you want to count every message in the current folder, look at the very top left of the message list, right above the first row. There's a checkbox that selects everything in this view. I click it and the toolbar jumps to the total number included. This view isn't filtered, so that number is the full count for the messages in front of me. If the command bar is collapsed because the browser window is narrow, widen the window. The selected count hides behind a 3-dot menu when there's not enough room, which makes it look like the feature is missing. Once the window is wider, the full 1 selected or 3 selected text comes back. After you've got your count, I usually click the same Select All checkbox again to clear the selection. The toolbar returns to normal, and the count disappears. If this helped, leave a comment saying it was helpful, give it a like, and subscribe if you want more software walkthroughs. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.